they need fell. So cows, got cows. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a little task that we need to get completed. We are going to head over to my in-laws house and cut down a tree. She has a tree grown fairly close to a fence that we need to get fell and drug out of her yard. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the Polaris Ranger with all my cutting equipment and my PPE. Then I'll get the kids and the wife and we'll load up on it and drive about 6 miles down the road and go check this tree out. Okay, so here's the tree behind me. It is a type of pear tree. The wind's blowing where it's going to push it right that way, right over the fence. We're going to put a ladder up here, put a strap around it, and then we're going to pull on it with a tractor while I do a wedge cut and get this thing fell. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and get everything loaded, get the Ranger moved out of the way so we don't have an unfortunate mishap like Mr. Lucas did over at a Peaky Peaks Homestead. Really didn't consider that being a thing until it happened to him. That was very unfortunate with his Kubota. Good thing all that stuff's getting taken care of. But if you haven't checked out Lucas's channel, Peaky Peaks Homestead, go check it out. He makes a lot of good content. Okay, we've got chains hooked up. Got the little Ford tractor coming over here we're gonna hook up. I'll make a little face cut and then we'll get this thing fell.
That's at the big old hood.
I'm gonna cut a wedge out of it. And once I do that and start on the back cut, then you can pull on it.
Okay.
Okay, the tree's down. A couple of the limbs got on the fence right over here, but it didn't knock it down. I'll go ahead and get a bunch of this stuff limbed up so we can get it drug out of the yard. I think we got most of it chunked up, enough I can get hooked onto it with the tractor side by side and get it pulled out in the pasture. Okay, well, we got it cut down, got most of it hauled off. Found the information helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.